Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of eCash XEC coin. What's the price? What's the price changes occur on the eCash? In this video, I will share the all update, guys. But before starting this video, please, guys, make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. So first of all, guys, the right now price of eCash in the market is about 0.00023341 USD dollar. That is the right now price of eCash XCC coin. And furthermore, if you study the changes update of eCash, so positive 11.48% changes occur in the eCash, guys. That's mean that 11% the price of XEC coin pump just in last 24 hours, guys. That's really a good news for all eCash coin holders, guys, that the price pump. So personally, I'm very happy to see this positive update, guys. Anyways, guys, what is your prediction? What you think? And please also tell me in the comment box that how do you feel today about XEC coin, guys, eCash, guys. Please tell me your opinion in the comment box, guys. The one more interesting fact in the XEC eCash coin is like that you can see here 145.59% positive changes occur in a XEC eCash coin, guys. So this means, guys, the trading volume increase hour by hour, guys. And due to this trading volume, the changes of eCash will become positive, guys. And when the trading volume increase, so obviously the price will also increase, guys. Same like that if we talk about fully diluted market cap, all thing is going positive eCash, guys. So absolutely now it is profitable coin in the market, guys. Anyways, guys, what is your prediction? What is your update about eCash? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.